Welcome to our kitchen at the Courtyard Café. My name's Chef Dan, and we're here to showcase and demonstrate some healthy, delicious recipes as part of our 20 by 20 Healthy Initiative. Our goal is to highlight 20 key changes by the year 2020 to help improve the lives and health of our employees as well as our community. You'll find today's recipe in our cafeteria all week long. So getting started, roasted beet and ricotta sandwich. So the first thing we're going to do is wash our organic beets. Okay, we're going to save the beet tops, and we'll use those for either garnish or put in our greens. These have been washed thoroughly. We're going to trim them, and we're going to roast them. Now this size beet is going to take about an hour to hour and 10 minutes to roast. We're simply going to put them on our baking sheet and put them in about a 350 degree oven at about, once again, an hour to an hour and 10 minutes. Now while that's toasting or roasting in the oven, we're going to do our honey ricotta spread. That's simply ricotta cheese, olive oil, and a little honey. This will make a nice, creamy, rich component of this sandwich. Gonna take the place of the mayonnaise. A nice spread. There's that. And we're gonna toast our bread. We're using a whole wheat ciabatta bread today. So we've got our sliced ciabatta bread. I'm gonna put a little oil on the grill. Spread it around. Let that baby brown just a little bit. So we have our roasted beets, and our bread's nice and toasted, and then we're going to assemble this sandwich. First thing we're going to do is take about 2 tablespoons of your favorite pesto. I'm going to rub on each piece of bread. Okay. I'm going to take your roasted beets and slice them. I'm going to cut them in half, peel them. After roasting, the beet peeling comes off relatively easily. Okay, and we're going to slice them in about 1/8 inch slices. So we have about a half a cup. I'm going to take these beets and glaze them with the balsamic glaze. Now this is a store-bought balsamic. You can make your own by just reducing balsamic vinegar with a little bit of sugar, just until it's got a nice syrupy consistency. Okay, so that's our balsamic glazed beets. Okay, we're going to put the arugula, about a half a cup of arugula on this first part of this bread. We're going to top the arugula with the roasted beets. And we're going to spoon nice and carefully the ricotta over top of the beets. About 1/4 cup or so. That's our sandwich. Slice it the slight diagonal. That's our roasted beet ricotta sandwich.